Hey ladies, so today I'm going to show you how to make a star clippy. You're going to need A&L display templates. As you can tell, they come in a different variety of sizes. You can combine them, you can do them all one size or mix the size. However, today I'm just going to use one size and it's going to be the third one down. You're going to need some faux leather and a sheet of felt, your scissors, your lighter, your Mark B Gone pen. You can buy this at Walmart. Clips, and then 3/8 inch ribbon. As you can tell, I already have mine pre-cut. This is just to save some time. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And you'll do the same step for each one that you're doing. I just want to save some time for you and not make it a long video. So all you have to do is trace your template. Just like that. And cut it out. So now I want to make sure that my line is, my clip is lined. So this is a 1.75 inch long clip. So you're just going to add some glue right here. Lining your clip just gives it a more professional finished look. Make sure you heat seal your ends. Okay, so as you can tell, I already have mine pre-cut. This is just to save some time so it's not a long video. So I'm gonna set these to the side and work with these. So I did red, white, and blue. And all I did was I glued this angle right on top of the red, this one on top of the blue, and then just a dab right there. So that's all I did, was just to glue them together. So now I'm gonna add my clip, and it's already lined. So I'm gonna add mine right around here. But as you can tell, if you leave it just like that, it is going to be floppy. I don't want mine to be floppy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add felt backing to each one, just to give it some stability. So I'm just going to do that for each of the sides. And I'm going to start off in the center and work my way out. And then do the corners. I'm not going to do the middle one just yet. So as you can tell, I have some like edge right there. All you have to do is clip it to clean it. You can also get your lighter and run your lighter through. Okay, now I'm going to add my clip. And I'm going to add glue all along the flat surface. Put it as centered as possible. Hold it down. And then I'm going to add this in the center right here. And glue it. So I'm going to start off in the corner. Just like that. And then I'm going to fold this remaining ribbon inside of the clip, and this just helps secure it more. And you're done. So if you want to do a single one, you would repeat the same steps. So here I have my little star faux leather, and then I have my little felt one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over, find the center, and add my clip. So just like that. And then over here, I'm gonna snip it like right here. So I snip that because I want it to go in. Then I'm going to just cut this one off. And then I'm going to start adding my glue. The felt backing just helps it be a little bit more sturdier so that it's just not floppy. It's just not flopping around. If you ever have overage, you can just trim it away. And if you ever have too much fuzz from the felt, just run your lighter through it. And then complete it by adding some glue to your ribbon. And you're done. So here's a single clippy with just 1 star, and then here's one with 3. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll post the link to where you can purchase the star templates, and then I will post links to where you can buy faux leather at. Thank you for watching.